Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best Gimbal for DSLR to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Gimbal Crane 3-axis DSLR Gimbal. Our personal favorite, the Gimbal Crane 3-axis, is a modern handheld stabilizer that will work with most mirrorless and DSLR cameras, up to 1 kilogram. Very well designed, its control system is a bit different, as you will control the gimbal using a joystick on the handle itself. While it can take some time to get used to, we found it to be very quick and comfortable to use. Gimbal also includes a free app to control the gimbal from an Android or iOS phone remotely, a useful feature if you plan to use it on a tripod. Features: crafted for perfection, bigger screen to boost your productivity, removable batteries for maximized runtime. Moving to the next one of the list, in the second position we have the DJI Ronin S Camera Stabilizer 3-axis Gimbal. The DJI Ronin S DSLR stabilizer is a gimbal that offers a lot of value. It's hard to find a DSLR gimbal with this many features in this price range. It's compatible with DSLR and mirrorless cameras from all the major manufacturers. There are 2 different shooting position modes, top-down and bottom-up. You also have 3 shooting modes: locking mode, pan following mode, pan and tilt following mode. You can always make adjustments using the 5-way joystick. An app also allows for very convenient wireless control of the gimbal. It's solidly constructed and does everything you want a gimbal to do and then some. This gimbal is participating helpful when it comes to challenging shooting requirements like positive grip, upright shooting, low angle, or even high flight photography. To keep your gimbal protected, it does come with a nice carrying case. This is a piece of camera equipment that could be with you for the long haul, as long as you take care of it. Features: mostly compatible devices. Capture spontaneous moments with clarity, smoothness, and a refreshing perspective. Easy to fit. Coming up next, in third place we have the Icon DS1 Beholder Gimbal for DSLRs. Another beautifully designed and one of the best DSLR gimbal here is the Icon DS1. It is another lightweight device, which is extremely important especially for handheld gimbals, as the weight of the DSLR camera can weigh quite a bit. The device comes with a really useful joystick on the handle, making it really easy to switch between modes. Another great feature is the quick-release plate at the base of the gimbal that allows you to adjust the camera very easily when changing the lenses. A fantastic device at a reasonable price. Features: works with DSLRs and camera. Lithium battery powered. Battery indicator. Now moving to the number 4. Pilotfly Handheld Stabilization Gimbal. The Pilotfly has a great feature with its mode select button. It offers you to switch between not 4, but 5 user configurable modes. It is also equipped with a rocker switch to control gimbal pitch, tilt and roll angles with only one hand. It also comes with a smartphone adapter and a great hard carrying case, ideal for extreme sports or other journeys where the equipment will be knocked about. A really well-made and well-thought-out stabilizer. Features: handheld stabilizer is compatible. Completely immersive photo and video shooting. Gimbal operates on 3 modes. In the 5th position we have the Flycam Camera Stabilizer. A slightly different category than the gimbal stabilizers are the balancing systems, and the Flycam is a perfect example of one that does a great job for half the price of similar balancing systems. In general, the Flycam is a handheld video stabilizer that can support a great range of cameras weighing up to 5 kilograms. It is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer that allows you smooth and uninterrupted movement for amazing shots from unique angles. It features a center post that requires no tools in order to adjust the different height you would like to shoot from, a foam-padded handle grip, and a dynamic base platform with weights that balance the entire system. For perfect, flawless shooting, you need to have in mind the vertical balance of your camera, which you can easily adjust by setting the center post to a required height. Features: perfect handheld stabilizer. Universal fit, lightweight. Comfort arm acts as a shock absorber. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best gimbal for DSLR. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.